Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to create numbers or number in Infinite Craft. So what you want to do is get water first, and then earth, put them together to get plant. After that, get wind to create dandelion, and then after dandelion, what you want to do is get plant, add that to weed, and then afterwards get dandelion, put it under that, and add water to the dandelion to create wine. After that, what you want to do is get water and add to the wine to create holy water. After holy water, you want to get fire, add to the holy water to create a vampire. And then what you want to do is get vampire, add to the weed, you get count. And then after that, get another count, and you get number. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.